Is AI's answer reliable? Let's do a test today. Many people make homemade slow-rising squishies using sponges and fabric puffy paint. I don't have fabric paint, and the AI told me I can easily substitute it using basic household items. Alternative 1. Clear silicone caulk. Alternative 2. White school glue plus cornstarch. Alternative 3. Liquid fabric softener. I told the AI I wanted to apply paint to a standard kitchen sponge, and the AI provided the best kitchen sponge formula and detailed steps. Let's start doing it now and see if the AI's solution works. Step 1. Prepare the sponge. Peel off the rough green scrubbing layer. Cut the sponge into your desired shape. Then rinse the cut sponge in warm water to remove any factory manufacturing oils. Here, I think it is unnecessary. The sponge looks clean, so I skip it. Step 2. We need white school glue, cornstarch, acrylic paint, and baby oil. We add 3 tablespoons white school glue, 1 teaspoon acrylic paint, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 3 to 5 drops of baby oil. Mix it. It is the heavy body school glue modification. The cornstarch fills the large sponge pores, the oil keeps the glue from drying brittle, and it should look like thick, spreadable cake frosting. Then paint the mixture into the sponge surface. I need to plug all the tiny air holes on the outer shell, creating a smooth wall. So when it dries, I apply another layer. I ended up with 4 layers in total. Step 3. Apply the color and flex coat. Since this was the color I wanted, I didn't apply any other colors. I just drew the pattern I wanted on it. Step 4. Apply the softness softener. Firmly massage and knead the dry squishy material in your hands for 2 minutes. Finally, the crucial step, because you are not using commercial puffy paint, you must seal your final paint job to prevent it from peeling when squeezed. Once your custom paint mixture is 100% dry, dab a thin layer of clear school glue over the entire surface to lock it in. It's finished. Let's take a look at it. The surface is smooth, like plastic. You can't tell it's made of sponge. You can hear the sound of tapping the hard shell, so its outer layer has formed an airtight shell. Okay, let's test it out. Does it have a slow rising effect after being squeezed? We can hear the sound of air being squeezed out, but the rising speed is very slow. I think it needs some more holes. I poked a few holes in the back. Now the rising speed is faster. Overall, I think the formula provided by AI has some effect, but it's not perfect. I give it a 6 out of 10. The main problem is that the outer shell is too hard. It becomes impossible to squeeze from a different angle, and the coating edges crack after being squeezed too hard. If you want a squishy with a little springiness, you can try this formula. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.